Okay, so we're getting to adjust Haley today, and we're going to adjust first her lower neck here to decompress those nerves that go to the arms. And a lot of times people get numbness down their arms, but more importantly, those nerves go to vital organs like the heart and the thyroid, so we want to make sure we remove any interference. Then here in her mid-back, we're going to be adjusting these areas here. And again, take a deep breath, let it all out. That releases all of that tension in her, in between your shoulder blades. But those nerves specifically go to vital organs again, like the lungs. And down here at L5 is where those nerves go down the leg. So we are going to adjust her here on this side. So let me have you lay on your side facing me. And she is an athlete and does a lot of work sitting down on a home computer. And so lots of tension there. And then I'm going to adjust her pelvis on this side, a little lower here by her sacrum. There we go. And then lastly, I'm going to have you sit on this chair. And when we adjust the upper neck, and specifically the top two vertebrae, most people get lots of tension, headaches, and tightness up in the very top. So we're going to want to adjust her atlas right in here. So that's that first bone of the spine. And just have you, there we go. And then scoot down. So the last one is the skull, right up in here. Lots of tension in through there that she gets, again, from a head forward posture, from just technology today. I'm going to adjust that. There we go. Awesome. And lastly, go ahead and sit right here, facing that way. And so we always end with this machine that's called an arthrostim. And mainly what this does is it resets mechanoreceptors in the joints to help stabilize the adjustment, and also increase input to the cerebellum and the brain. And so that is a powerful adjustment. Thanks.